Okay, so to start off this demonstration, I would like to just show off the application itself first before getting into any API calls and things like that. So my application is basically an audio recorder that is treated as a speech test, and all you have to do is record into a microphone. It takes the audio file and it sends it to a backend storage system such as a Koios server that I have set up here in IntelliJ, and I can access it and show you through MySQL. So the first part of the demo is simply just, I'll show you the API, the code for it, at least I mean. It's all here. I can slowly scroll through it, but I know you want this to be short so I can go more in depth into the API server itself if you want me to. But as of right now, it is running, and I skipped the build process because it does take a few seconds. But it is running, and if we run the application now, this is run in Google Flutter. It's a mobile app development programming thing that I learned over the semester for my mobile app development class, and I just wanted to share that here as my final project as well for this class. So it opens up, gives you a little UI of the available tests you can do for speeches. I'll just do the first one to demo. Gives you instructions, begin the test, click the button to record your audio. Since this is an emulator, I have to enable my microphone like this, and now it picks up my voice. If I stop recording it, it stores the audio file within the storage emulation, and to access that, like literally in the real world, I go to my server backend titled Koios. I scroll down to the table that is responsible for storing these things. I open it up. If I sort by submission time, I get the most recent submission, which is right here, 3:26, so it's our local time. I grab the identification. I pull back to the server response table itself, and if I search for it via the variable that we got, it will print out one response. Oh, wait. What? Survey response 3. Let me try this one more time. Maybe it's because I didn't put capital where. Response summary ID. Let me make sure there's no space here. Maybe that's what I did wrong in the last time. Run it. There we go. Perfect. You will get this object URL, that is the audio URL, and to prove that they are two in the same, or one in the same, I mean, the audio path labeled here and the audio path I copied here from the Koios database share the exact same local time naming scheme. This one being the one from the server backend, MySQL, the second one being from the audio path labeled here. And I can go more in depth into what's code is here. This is specifically what I use to set up the API here on the front end sort of thing, so that it connects to the one on IntelliJ. The main file here that instantiates the Koios API here. It verifies user login data. The user login data right now is just verified as me. It's nothing to be used in the real world yet, but that is all. I can go more in depth into anything if you wish. Just let me know. Thank you very much.